is Provincellus or Bitabog. Then ito naman yung Super Red Arowana na nagkakalaga ng 80,000 pesos, except the quarter. Ito yung ating golden flower horn. Yan. Sino may flower horn sa inyo? Sino po may alagang flower horn?
Kami.
Yan yung ating latest pong sweet fish. Then the next thing
Yan.
nandiyan yung golden shell na Asia, red of silver dollar, and blackbird Malayus. Dahil lumalaki naman po yan na up to 9 inches. Dito na to, nag-originate po yan from North America. Isa po yan sa mga carnivorous fish natin na lumalaki po ng up to 10 feet long. And also known as a Jurassic fish. Yan, kaya pagpanig po natin